talking about the process of interview in the mid-sized firm, there is two level of the mid-sized firms, either the small level mid-sized firm and the big level mid-sized firms. When we talking about the big level mid-sized firm, there is a separate HR department and the manager department. So when we apply for the interview in the mid-sized firm, then the HR department will receive the mail and call we call us to come on the interview on your scheduled times and after scheduling your interview. And so when we go there, then what is the must thing the HR will analyzing on to recruitment ourselves in the interview for the articleship for the 3 years, means for the regulated period of time. So, means mainly HR will focus, means what HR will focus, we will discuss about that. Means firstly, HR will focus on the dress up and timing appearing to attend the interview in the office on the scheduled office, and that after when we enter the premises of the firm, then the HR department will give some file of questions which we have to clear complete, and on the basis of means basically this file of questions will be given for the assessment, means a written assessment. This is also part of interview, this part called written interview portions, and after that oral interview will be started when we completed the written interview. In file of questions, there will first page will ask about your details and your qualifications, and that after your some HR level questions will be asked there. HR level questions mostly with respect to why you want to join our firm, and how you know about our firm, and from where, what you have any knowledge about MS Office or any other website or not, and tell me something about your family background and your qualifications and your hobbies. And these types of the HR level questions will be asked there for your communication, check your written communication skill. And that after some long types of the questions will be asked to check your analytical skill on the long note. Long time when we talking about the long types of the questions, there the questions either with respect to your qualifications, means your syllabus, or other than syllabus, means write some note on a specific topic, like socials in modern era, social media is the fourth pillar of democracy, how you can elaborate, or so who will monitor the functions of auditor. So what is a FRA means Financial Reporting Authority. These types of the questions will be asked in the long note. And what and can you explain about the GST in India? Can you write a long note on the income tax act or the salary portions? These types of the questions will be asked, or write some differences between company, LLP and the partnership firm. These types of the questions will be asked in your interview for the written assessment. And so and also in some of the mid-sized firm, they ask some MCQ types questions, and some of the medium-sized firms there is not a provisions of MCQ in your written assessment. And when we talking about the MCQ questions for the written assessment, there MCQ comprising lots of the provisions, lots of the sections, because when I going for one interview in the mid-sized firm, there lots of MCQ with respect to your grammar, means +2 level grammars, means your when we studied this grammar in our class 12 and in foundations, means business reasonings portions, and lots of the questions with respect to math reasoning portions, lots of the questions with respect to accounting and taxations, means these are the our academic intermediate level qualifications, and lots of the analytical questions we have to give answers from ourselves, means our thought, what is and our analytical skill. These types of the questions also comprising in the MCQ portions. Lots of the general knowledge questions, means what is the CEO of that company, what is the CEO of that company, what is the new economic scenario in the modern era, so in which area lots of the FDI and FPI are coming in India in the modern times. These types of the questions will be asked in the MCQ portions of your interview. When you crack your written assessment, then HR will call you for your oral level interview, and when we go for the oral level interview, HR will ask you questions about, means tell me something about yourself which are not you written in your CV, means we have studied your CV, and what is your family background, what is your qualifications, why you choose our company, why you want to article CP in our company, what is your expectations. These types of the questions will be asked in the oral interview with respect to HR level. When we cleared, means they are the basic questions, mainly basic questions will be asked in HR level. When we clear the HR level, then HR will at the last HR will ask you, please you can ask any questions, if you want to ask then ask me. Hi sir or madam, what is the next procedures of interview? These types of the questions is mainly suitable at that level. And there your HR will explain something about your interview procedures, and that after your technicals level oral interview will start. In your technicals level, mainly managers or the partners of the firm will ask you some technicals or analytical questions with respect to your academic levels and other than academic levels, to check your communication skill, your analytical skill, your reasoning test. These types of the questions will be mainly asked. Means when I go for interview in one firm, there the partners, this good firm, there the partners will ask me questions. Means hi Mukesh, can you tell me the method of valuations of inventory? Then we definitely know about what is the method of valuations of the inventory. And they also ask what is the standards on auditing 560. This is a subsequent event. And also they are asked the questions, what is the depreciation method of depreciation as per the AS10. Means these types of the questions will be asked in your technicals round. Means and when you given all the answers of these questions, or if you do not know about any of the questions, then clearly there you can tell that sir, sorry sir, I am not aware about, means I cannot recall these provisions at that times. I will definitely go and read. Means this is your positive response to that particular questions which are you not aware at that times. Means if you are selected, then some of the mid-sized firms, your partners will at the same times call you congratulations, you have been selected, or the some times, meaning in some other firm, their partner will ask thank you Mukesh, you will be notified after 2 or 3 days when our all interview have been completed. Means that level of the interview will be taken in the mid-size firm. So thank you.